Okay, so today we're jumping into a deep dive on a new mobile game. It's called Beach Magic Match.
Right. Standard match 3 puzzle setup. Looks familiar. Pick items, match them up.
Exactly. But it's making this pretty bold promise, which is why we're looking at the source material on it.
The money promise.
Yeah, the cash. Our sources are really trying to pin down if this is, a legit cash-paying app.
Or if it's basically just a fancy way to get you to watch ads.
Right, something designed to chew up your time and your mobile data.
So that's our mission, pretty much. Unpack these claims about Beach Magic Match.
Let's do it. Find out what's really going on.
Got it.
Okay, so the rewards. What exactly are they claiming?
Well, what's interesting and what the sources really focus on is the specific amount. They claim players can earn real money.
Okay.
And they say rewards start at $34, then potentially more as you play.
$34. Huh. That's
Yeah.
specific. Not the usual crazy high number you sometimes see.
Exactly. It feels almost plausible.
Mm-hmm.
But there's always a catch, isn't there?
Huh. Usually. The source material definitely flags one. What do you need to do before you can actually collect anything?
Right, the withdrawal condition. That's the key. So the game says, yeah, you can withdraw your earnings, use payment methods, but first, you absolutely have to reach level 5 in the game.
Level 5, okay. In many casual games, that doesn't take too long, does it?
Not usually, no. And that specific threshold, level 5, that's what the sources are really analyzing, it seems. Deliberate.
Deliberate how? What could hitting that relatively low level signify?
Well, the analysis suggests it might be kind of mathematically calibrated.
Calibrated for what?
To make sure you watch a certain number of ads, think about it getting to level 5, even if it's quick, forces you through those pre-level screens, maybe interstitial ads.
Okay, so between starting the game and hitting level 5, you've probably seen how many ads?
The sources estimate it could easily be 40, maybe even 60 separate ad views.
Wow, 60 ads just to get to level 5.
Yeah, so it maximizes the developer's ad revenue before you even get a chance to see if the payout, that $34, is real.
Okay, so that really frames the central conflict here, doesn't it?
It does.
Is this game genuinely set up to pay out that $34 and be covered by the ad revenue from those first, say, 60 views?
Or is the whole thing just designed to get those ad views, get your time, your data, make the developers money?
Without any real intention of ever paying out that reward, just using it as bait.
Exactly. That's the core question the sources wrestle with. Is it a tiny, genuine income source or just an ad-generating machine?
And the consensus from the sources leans which way? Are they optimistic?
Not really. They're pretty skeptical. Looking at similar models out there, the feeling is this level 5 barrier is likely designed mainly to maximize that ad revenue up front.
Right, they're banking on players either getting frustrated and quitting before they even try to withdraw.
Or hitting some kind of, technical snag or complex process if they do try to withdraw after level 5, making it difficult or impossible to actually get the cash.
So, recapping Beach Magic Match. We've got this specific, almost plausible $34 reward claim.
Uh-huh.
But it's gated behind hitting level 5, which forces a significant number of ad views first.
Yeah, that's the setup.
The key takeaway here, for you listening, seems to be really thinking about the cost to your attention, your data, versus the potential, maybe unlikely, reward.
And connecting that to the bigger picture raises a really important question, doesn't it? When you look at any app promising real cash,
Yeah.
how much weight should you give that minimum level or task you have to complete before you even start judging if the payout is legit? Is the cost of getting there already too high?